Hi everyone, I just need you to know that I love the fall. I love the colours, I love the muted tones, and I love how nature provides us with, we've got the beautiful heavy strength of the magnolia foliage. I love the gorgeous rustic colours on the back of it. I love the last of the season's rosehips, which are like these little warning beakers that the cold is coming. But the colours are warm and it gives us that lift and that warmth that I think is just beautiful. So I wanted to show you how to do something really simple. Often I will just have just exactly what I've got here in this beautiful jug, just the berries and a lovely bit of magnolia, and you know what, it just is enough on its own. I want to now take this to another level, and I want to introduce some pincushions and some late season roses. So this pot here started life as a terracotta. I hated it so much because it was just too intense. So all I did was I put a wishy wash over the outside of it, and to be perfectly honest, I think I used, you know, the white nugget that you use for your tennis shoes. I just watered that down because that's all that I had. Even PVA glue will do it, but it does make it a little bit too shiny. So just chalk paint it, whatever, just a wishy coat. Now into this I want to add a few roses. So we just put the roses into there, and I've got 3 roses, and I want this to be actually seen from all sides. So I'm going to put one lot over to there. I'm going to bring a little few up a little bit higher like so, just to give it a little bit of movement, and then I'm just going to bring that down the side so that it just takes it down over the side and gives a little bit more visual interest. So your eye comes up here, it hits those lovely rose hips, and then it just drifts across to those beautiful last of the season roses. Now the next to go in are, look at these. I finally did it, everybody. You said that they were too tall, so I've made them a little bit shorter, and what I've also done is I've incorporated a little bit of lighter colour into the centre of the hydrangeas. So I've got 3 of those. I'll bring one down into there. You might need to lift some of your flowers up as you go, but we've got 3 of those. One can go up and into there like so, and then I'm just going to drift this one so that it goes down the back. I don't actually want to cover up too many of the leaves because I actually quite like looking at green. I find that green's quite a lovely balancing, calming colour. Right, into that I've also got these. Now these are new. Let me show you these. I love Lucas Perdon Reflectums, or as they're commonly known as, beautiful little pincushion proteas. Aren't they gorgeous? Look at those, and they do look like little wee pins that have been stuck into there. Now I've got 4 of those. What I want to do with these is keep them together so that there's more of an impact. Where's my front now? Oh, there we go. There's my front. So just a little bit of impact with those over there. And because the outside of my pot has like a sort of a pinky hue to it, I've just got a few of these lovely snowberries, and I'm just going to put those into the centre like so, so that that is my focal. I could repeat it to the back if I wanted, but I don't think it needs any more. And then if you wanted to fall it up just a little bit more, you can just put a few pumpkins down the bottom there, and there we have a very easy fall inspired design. I'll see you again another day.